About 4.7 million years ago, Earth was a very different place. Dense forests stretched across vast lands, giant animals roamed freely, and survival was a daily challenge. In this harsh and unpredictable world, our ancient ancestors began their journey of life. At that time, modern humans did not yet exist. Instead, a species known as Australopithecus walked the Earth. They were among the first creatures to stand upright and move on two legs. This ability gave them a wider view of their surroundings and the chance to cover long distances in search of food and safety. But survival was never easy. The greatest need was food. These early hominins gathered fruits, berries, roots, and leaves from the wild. Sometimes they cracked open animal bones to reach the nutritious marrow inside. Hunting was rare and dangerous, so most of their lives depended on gathering what nature offered. Living alone in such a world was almost impossible. That is why they stayed together in small groups. In unity, they found strength. Together they could protect one another, warn each other of approaching predators, and share whatever little food they could find. Over time, they began to use stones as tools. Sharp rocks helped them cut through hides, break bones, and reach food that was otherwise difficult to access. This step, small as it may seem, was a turning point in human history. Tool-making became the foundation of our species' future. Yet danger was everywhere. Lions, saber-toothed cats, giant elephants, and other deadly predators ruled the land. To survive, these early ancestors relied on quick reflexes, alert minds, and the protection of their groups. Every day was a test of courage and adaptation. Shelter also played a vital role. Many groups stayed near water sources or took refuge in caves. These places provided safety from wild animals and harsh weather. In such shelters, they learned to endure the nights and prepare for the uncertain days ahead. Step by step, their struggles shaped the path of evolution. From walking upright to crafting simple tools, every small achievement was part of a greater story. These ancient beings did not know it, but their fight for survival laid the foundation for modern humans. Centuries later, their descendants would discover fire, create language, and build civilizations. But none of this would have been possible without the first steps taken millions of years ago, when survival was the only goal. This is the story of life 4.7 million years ago. When every sunrise was uncertain, every day was a battle, and the greatest purpose of life was simply to stay alive.